What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Surrender, and this video what we're going to look at is how to make quick money by selling used games on CEX. So let me start off by showing you guys CEX. So in this store, in this company, what they do is they purchase a product off you for a certain amount and sell it for a high amount. The idea is you buy a used product for a cheap price. So let's say the person is selling this on Facebook Marketplace, right? And they sell it for £4. And what you're gonna do is make the deal. Just text the person, tell them how much you wanna buy it for, and if they agree with you, great. You just buy the product off them, go to their house or something, buy the product, and then right away head over to CEX, your nearest CEX shop, give it to them. You get £6. That's £2 profit, instant payment. That's the idea, guys. Yeah. Now what you want to do is head over to Facebook Marketplace, type in PS4 games or Xbox game, whatever games, and then look for a good game. So let's see this one. So the person saying £0, but it's definitely not £0, as you can see over here. The guy saying going cheap, text me for a price of 1 or all. So let's say this guy, so as this guy's selling all these games, right, let's look at one each, right? So Call of Duty Black Ops, right? You head over to CEX, type in Call of Duty Black Ops. So they give you an option right here to check the price of which they buy off you, so that's gonna make it easier for you, right? So you buy the right product and get some profit. So Call of Duty Black Ops, say this one, they buy it off you for £1.60. I don't know how much you have to pay this guy for this game, but say if it's 50p, which it won't be, probably £1 or something. If it's £1, then you get £1.10 profit if you sell it to them. So say if it's Call of Duty World War 2, then it's the same thing, £1.60, say if it sells for £1, you get 50p profit. So yeah, you just wanna purchase it off him and sell it on. Also, let me show you guys some stuff about CEX. So how are you gonna get paid? Yeah, like I said, just head over to the store, give them the game that you bought, and you get instant payment. But also, I want you to be aware that on Facebook Marketplace, right, what people do is they type in. So they might say, right, when you type in PS4 games and you get brought to the website with so many options for you to choose from, it might say this, £1. But then you later realize that it's not £1. So like I texted them, was selling all of them for 50, 2 of them for 50, right? But it says £1. Like, I don't know, this person was like that. So you have to be careful of that. Also, if you're under 18, just create an account. Like, I don't think Facebook allows people who are under 18 to have an account on Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, just create a fake account or something, done. That's it. That's pretty much it, guys. We reached the end of the video. There's a quick video on how to do it, and if you did find any value from this video, please do drop a like. That'll help me out a lot. Also, on this channel, I post videos to do with money, side hustles, and business in general. If you are interested in them, please do subscribe. Even try this out. Just try it right now. If you got any value, hit the like button. Alright, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.